Is your iPhone's keyboard click sound not working? If it's too quiet or completely gone, don't worry. This guide will help you fix the keyboard sound issue in no time. So let's get started. Solution 1. Check keyboard sound settings. Make sure keyboard clicks are enabled. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down to the keyboard feedback section. Now tap on Keyboard Feedback. And make sure to toggle on the sound. Test your keyboard by typing in any app to hear the clicks. Solution 2. Adjust system volume. Sometimes the keyboard sound may be too quiet because your system volume is low. During typing, use the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone to increase the system volume. Ensure that the mute switch on the side of your iPhone is turned off. Check if the keyboard clicks are now audible. Solution 3. Disable silent mode. Silent mode can turn off all system sounds, including keyboard clicks. Check the side switch on your iPhone. If the switch is in the down position, your iPhone is in silent mode. Flip the switch up to turn off the silent mode and restore sounds. Test your keyboard to see if the click sound is working. Solution 4. Check for software updates. Outdated software may cause audio issues, including keyboard sounds. Open Settings and tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Restart your iPhone after update and test the keyboard sound. That's it. The keyboard click sound issue should be fixed on your iPhone now. If this guide helped, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Catch you in the next video.